What was happening in his bedroom? An international lawyer set off a surprise about the escape of Princess Haya Bint Hussein, who is preparing her shocking response after Al-Maktoum filed a lawsuit against her in London. Watch the video. In a resounding scandal concealed by the international media about the main reason for the escape of Princess Haya Bint Hussein from her husband, the ruler of Dubai, international lawyer Mahmoud Refaat revealed the true reason behind the escape of the Jordanian princess. In a tweet on Twitter account monitored by the Saudi Reality, Refaat said the reason for Haya Bint Hussein escaping her children from her husband Mohammed bin Rashid, Al-Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, which helped him to return his daughter Latife after her escape and played a major role in polishing the image of the UAE after that crisis. Taking advantage of her relations in Britain as a sister, the King of Jordan, is her fear for her children to discover that Latife escaped the rape and incest. And Salim Al-Obeidi's account said, commenting and agreeing with what Dr. revealed, Refaat, the reason that Princess escaped is the reason that two of bin Maktoum's daughters were trying to escape Latife, and his son was really strange. The British newspaper, the Daily Telegraph, dealt with the legal battle between Dubai ruler billionaire Mohammed bin Rashid Al-Maktoum and his Jordanian wife, Princess Haya Bint Hussein, over the custody of their two sons. In a report for the newspaper entitled "The Divorce of the Grand Ruler of Dubai is Decided by the British Judiciary," in which she indicated that Princess Haya and her husband are fighting over a court battle regarding the custody of their children. Many expect that it will be the most costly in the history of the British judiciary. The report, which was reported by the BBC website on Thursday, indicates that bin Rashid filed for divorce on Princess Haya, whose marriage lasted 15 years, before the Supreme Court in London, which is expected to start hearings in the case on the 30th of this month. The two parties appointed the two best-known lawyers in the country, and the report indicated that Princess Haya, sister of the King of Jordan and the most famous wife of the ruler of Dubai, left the Emirates, according to reports last month, heading to Germany before heading to London, where she often resides in the palace of the Emirati royal family, which has a price of $107 million. The newspaper knows that Princess, who spends most of her childhood in the UK before studying political science, philosophy and economics at Oxford University, has not formally requested any government assistance, even though she's seeking a residency in the country, the report says. He explains that the princess is moving in the circles of the royal family in Britain as she has a friendship with the Duchess of Cornwall and the Prince of Wales, pointing out that the criticism has affected the princess in the past for a role in the whitening the face of the Emirates after the escape of Sheikh Latife, the daughter of the ruler of Dubai. The report adds Princess Haya is the third person close to bin Rashid who has been trying to flee the Emirates during the past few years, as her two daughters, Sheikha Shamsa and Sheikha Latifa, tried to flee the Emirates before they were intercepted by the UAE authorities at the request of their father.